Max kit, you'll have a connector bag, and in this connector bag are 2 knobs and 2 threaded inserts. And these are what you're going to use if you want to connect your 2 workbench modules together. So for example, if you want to have 2 assembly workbenches together, or 2 router tables together, or just the router table and assembly table together. A number 6 Allen or hex bit will work. This is not included, but you just got one of these lying around the shop that you can use. I like to use the ones that you put in a drill. You can also use a handheld one or one in a socket if that works for you. On your workbench, you'll notice that there is a hole right underneath the slots that hold your supports for your extension tables. If you look around, you have a hole on every side. Inside, this is what it looks like. You're gonna place your threaded insert into one of these holes. Once you've seated it into the hole, you will do the one on the other side as well. You will then slide your 2 workbenches together. Once together, my threaded insert is on this side. There'll be a knob on the other side connecting them together.